What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be pretty cool and that I'm excited about. I got this new industrial power washer I picked up at my local pawn shop. It's got the Honda 11 horsepower, the gx340. A lot of people run these on go-karts and stuff, and it has the cat pump on it. There's the model. Just give you guys a little walk around. Homemade cart that somebody made for it. Big steel wheels. Pretty solid. And then they put this on there so you could hook it to like your lawnmower and pull it around, but it's really not that bad with those bigger wheels. Pulls pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna power wash one of my 8Ns today, probably the loader one with all the hydraulic fluid everywhere. So stay tuned to that. I'm gonna get all set up, get this tripod up, and probably do a time-lapse video. And then I fired it up once. It runs good. It's got crazy amount of power compared to my old little tiny Lowe's junk one. So I'm gonna get all set up here, and then I'll turn you guys back on. Stay tuned. That's pretty much as high as it'll go. Alright guys, this is what we're going to be power washing today. My 8N loader. Pretty dirty. Let's see what this thing can do to get all this gunk off here. The old grease and oil and whatnot. Got my 7-foot rake on here. Dearborn loader. Gonna get these rims power washed. Yeah, I got a bunch of little leaks here and there, that a bunch of hydraulic fluid and whatnot. So I'm gonna get all these power washed. All the stuff around the hydraulic pump. If you guys watch my other video of me putting this pump on, it's holding up great. Can't go wrong with it. But alright, I'm gonna get you guys a little time lapse going on. Me power washing this thing, so stay tuned. Alright guys, a little clip of time lapse of me watching this thing. This thing kicks ass. If you don't got one, get one. That cat pump is just ridiculously strong. I mean, and I wasn't even winding the motor all the way up. This thing is awesome. But yeah, it does a great job. I changed tips there at the end real quick. I put the red fine tip on there just to see if I could get some of the stuff off that rim, but I don't want to blow any paint off. That thing blows you backwards. You really got to hang on. Very strong. But yeah, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. Click up here. I got more videos on this tractor and whatnot. And hit that little round subscribe button if you want to see more in the future. And hit that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.